Hello, my name is Burl Tichenor. I am the owner and creator of Digital Wood Carver. I'm a mechanical design engineer by trade, but my passion is woodworking. If you are interested in woodworking, designing, or creating masterpieces of art, then you have come to the right place. Let me share with you about investing in the Digital Wood Carver. The Digital Wood Carver is an innovative machine that takes your projects to a whole new level. What might take you hours of tedious handcrafting can now be done precisely and effectively with this computer automated machine. The Digital Wood Carver is robust with solid 1-inch chrome rods for X motion and 3/4 on Y and Z, creating objects as large as 40 by 24 by 5 inches tall. The touch plate allows the Digital Wood Carver to accurately set the Z-axis. The core structure is made with rigid steel and aluminum components. Ball-bearing linear slides and strong timing belts are what gives the unit its smoothness while maintaining accuracy. The Digital Wood Carver was designed primarily to be used on wood, but it has been discovered that it can machine material like plastic, composite, marble, glass, and soft metals. The user-friendly USB CNC program has a large toolpath area that connects your PC by common USB port. The Digital Wood Carver makes carving easy. With the computer-controlled functions, you simply set up the design that you want carved, insert the material of your choice, and it goes to work with accuracy and precision, bringing your creative masterpieces to life. The Digital Wood Carver was designed with you in mind. From hobbyists to small shops and even mass production, this machine will meet all your creative needs. Your options are endless when it comes to designing pieces. You can create 3D puzzles, 2D panels to create 3D objects, such as that perfect dollhouse for your daughter or granddaughter. How about jewelry boxes for your wife or significant other, or sentimental plaques for friends and relatives? You can even create your own personalized guitar. With a 4th axis option, it opens a whole new area of creativity for design. You can now create cylindrical projects such as spindles, unique business plaques, and 3D objects. With such a variety of options at your fingertips, why wait? We would love to help you carve out your dreams.